Have you ever been talking normally and suddenly, HIC? But why do we get hiccups in the first place? Inside your body is a muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe. Sometimes the diaphragm suddenly squeezes by accident. When that happens, your vocal cords quickly close, creating the famous HIC sound. Hiccups can happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even laugh too hard. Most hiccups go away on their own after a few minutes, so next time you get a hiccup, you'll know it's just your diaphragm acting a little silly.